Hear the sound of that? It sounds like achievement. That's right, maintenance day here at Dow Towing. Got people doing everything. Got Toby over here. It's taken him about 3 days to work out how this brand new tyre changer works. And this is actually his first tyre. How do you feel about Tobes?
Third one.
Third?
Third.
Yeah, but by yourself this time, unsupervised. Second, there you go. Me, I've just been somewhere else the whole time, so I can't be trusted using this thing going forward. So that lucky the young blokes have got that one sorted. We've got Tom over here fixing the ice pack to us. We've had a bit of a bugger of a time with this thing basically for the whole day.
It stuck you up a couple of times.
Yeah. I had the basic job, which is basically dump the oil, change the filters, and happy days. And whoever did this last a few years ago, before I think Corey even bought the truck just about, was, let's just say, a prick. Yeah.
Good with the rattle gun.
Yeah, put the bung in, obviously had a bit of a leak. I don't know, they must have used some Loctite or welded it and then just put a rattle gun on it till it just,
Didn't move anymore.
Yeah, so we were hanging off the bugger, it wouldn't move, so we ended up having a, what do you call them?
Probably something we can't say on camera.
Yeah.
Nut remover.
Nut remover, yeah. So grab me the other way and then, finally reefed off it and got it off. So we've dumped the oil there, so we're going to have an ice pack. But at the same time too, 24-volt truck, 12-volt system with the ice packs. And unfortunately, actually, you're the qualified electrician here.
Yeah, we're going to put a DC-DC charger in to keep this one triggered up for when it's not getting used in the
Exactly,
off-season.
yeah, and that makes perfect sense to everyone that knows nothing like me about this sort of stuff. I will help you with the colour coordination here because, as we know, that's definitely my forte. Yeah, so these two red ones, just put that with this. What colour is that, brown?
Green.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, so that's a him job. That's why I'd never be an electrician. And the only job left in the world when I was going to school was being a truck driver. So there you go. But we've also changed the alternator on this one as well because, that's the thing with trucks, troubleshooting what the issues have been over the last week. So that's been a bugger, got a new battery, got all new stuff there. So when we head up to wherever I'm going over the weekend, I'm going to have a nice, cool bunk for me and the puppies to live in when we go napsies. Aren't we, Tom? You're going to have this done by the end of the day, aren't you?
Done in an hour or so.
Lovely, we love it. Actually, Toby still is getting supervised by Corey over there. You don't trust him to do it by himself yet, do you? Nah.
Have a look at that. Now that's good for tones.
Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. So now that the boys have got me a nice pair that's going to sit nicely next to each other, I'm going to take off this, what we call now the gold-plated Bridgestone that I got when I was coming across the Nullarbor because it cost more than probably the trailer just about at the end. So we're actually going to put this up on the wall in the office just to remind us that just have a lot of spares on hand. So, jeez, look after it, jeez! Stay. All right, now let's get these two buggers on, eh?
And we're even retaining some of our Pilbara dirt.
You can't get rid of it, can you? Oh, no, nowhere near enough. It does what it is told. There we go. All right. Whack all those nuts. Might give these a little bit of a clean out. Yeah, and then whack them on. It should be apples. But sometimes this video stuff doesn't always go according to plan. You've got to do a few takes. All right, so we'll take off the gold plate. Is that up enough? So now that the lads have got 2 new. Hang on, start that one again. Where are they? All right, so now we'll start that video again. Oh, hi, didn't see you there. So now that the boys have got a nice pair ready to go, I'm going to take off the gold-plated Bridgestone. That, why the hell isn't that coming off?
What do you want? Pole or just that tyre bar?
Yeah. Piss off. By the way, if you're keen to pick up some of my merchandise, jump over to Tony'sTruckandStories.com and it's free postage and you get a couple of free stickers as well. Does that sound good, puppies? Bloody oath it does.